Hey, what's up, everybody? The pressure is on. Gold and silver today on June the 28th, 2023. In this video, I will discuss why. Please hit that thumbs up button on the video and let me know your thoughts, your opinions in that comment section below. But as I record this video, gold is almost under $1,900, but currently at $1,907.90, currently down $6.80, or down almost a half a percentage point. Silver is currently down almost the same percentage as gold, almost a half a percent, or down 9 cents to $22.86 for the ask. Will these metals finish in the red or in the green today? That's a very good question. I don't have that answer. I don't have that crystal ball. However, I am still working on getting one of those crystal balls so I can predict the silver and gold prices for the future. However, I do believe that the silver and gold prices is going to be dependent on a couple of things, but this one thing in general, and we're going to get to that right now. I will be referencing this Kitco News article. It says price pressure on gold and silver amid bearish charts. Gold and silver prices are down, with gold notching a 3.5-month low in early U.S. trading Wednesday, with lack of markets moving fundamental news at midweek. Traders are focused on the charts for the precious metals, which are leaning bearish. August gold was last down $8.30 to $1,915.50, and silver was down, let's say, almost 30 cents to $22.67. Asian and European stock markets were mixed overnight. U.S. stock indexes are pointed towards mixed openings when the New York session begins. Risk aversion has eased at midweek following the week's insurrection in Russia that was quickly quelled. Quieter summertime trading ahead of the major U.S. Independence holiday next Tuesday seems to the feature at present. Appearances from the head of the Fed, ECB, EOE, and BOJ. And here we go. I believe this, in my opinion, is key to what the markets are going to do today, possibly what the markets are going to do tomorrow, and maybe for the next few days. It says Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, European Central Bank President, Bank of England Governor, and Bank of Japan Governor are scheduled to take part in a panel discussion at the ECB Forum on Central Banking today. The session begins in the morning, U.S. time. Traders and investors will monitor the central banker's comments. Often in these situations, policymakers will stick to the scripts, preferring to leave big announcements for the meetings and certain high-profile events. But with so many heads appearing at the same time, there's every chance at least one saying something that will either rattle or stimulate the market. So I think, in my opinion, this is something to monitor closely, to keep a close eye on, because like this Kitco article is saying, with all these people appearing in the same room at the same time, somebody could open their mouth that could make these markets move one way or another, including the chairman of your central bank in the U.S., Jerome Powell. They could say something, he could say something that could make these markets move one way or another, either into the green or further into the red. And we are currently in the red as I am recording this video for gold and silver. The dollar is slightly up. The DXY index is slightly up as I am recording this video. What will these markets look like at the end of the trading day today? Very good question. That will be something to keep an eye on. The odds are Jerome Powell is probably going to stick to a script. However, is there going to be a Q&A with the media? If there is, that will be, in my opinion, the key, because that's where he says stuff that he probably does not intend on saying and goes against his script. This article goes on to say, with a quote from analyst Craig Erlam, E-R-L-A-M, from OANDA, to make this event more intriguing, they're all contending with very similar issues, and yet their individual situations are quite different, which could make this discussion all the more interesting, he said. In overnight news, Australia reported tamer inflation numbers as its May consumer price index was up 5.6% year on the year compared to the April figure of up 6.8%. Key outside markets today see the US dollar index a bit firmer. Crude oil prices are firmer and trading around $68.25 a barrel. Meantime, the benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury note yield is presently fetching 3.747%. U.S. economic due for Wednesday includes the weekly MBA mortgage application survey, advanced economic indicators, and weekly DOA liquid energy stocks survey. The article goes on to say, technically, the gold futures bears have overall near-term technical advantages. A 6-week-old price downtrend is in place on the daily chart. Bulls' next upside price objective is to produce a close in August futures with solid resistance at $2,000. Bears' next term downside price objective is pushing futures prices below solid technical support at $1,900. First resistance is seen at $1,900. The silver bears have overall near-term technical advantage. Prices are in a 6-week-old downtrend on the daily chart. Silver bulls' next upside price objective is closing July futures price above solid technical resistance at $24. The next downside price objective for the bears is closing prices below support at $21. First resistance is seen at this week's high of $23.15 and then $23.50. Next support is seen at this week's low of $22.435 and then at the June low of $22.14. So let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comment section below. Do you think Jerome Powell is going to open his mouth? Do you think anybody else in this meeting today is going to open their mouth to move these markets one way or the other? The odds are, in my opinion, yes, somebody's going to say something. What are they going to say? Which way are these markets going to be headed? Your guess is as good as mine. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I appreciate everybody for taking some time out of your day to watch this video. To end this video, let's finish up with the gold and silver spot prices. Currently, silver is down 18 cents or down a little bit over 0.75% to $22.76. Gold really hasn't changed much since the start of this video. Gold is currently down $6.90 to $1,907.80. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comment section below. Thanks everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. What do you think is going to be the outcome of this meeting today that involves Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell? Thanks everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.